Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Foodie Mom. I hope all of you are doing good. So friends, I'm back with a product review by Wella Professional. But before starting with the product review, let me clear out this is not a sponsored video. I have bought this product by my own money. Also, you must have seen my previous video where you have seen that I've got my hair professionally colored. So right now I'm having colored hair, professionally treated hair. So for that I've got this Wella Professional Brilliance treatment for chorus colored hair. So right now my hair are not coarse. So basically what happened is that after getting colored, I didn't want my hair to go through that dry and split ends kind of a phase. So I thought of taking care of them before and well in advance. So that's why I got this Wella Professional Brilliance hair mask, which is for colored hair. Plus it comes with a consistency of thick, and this is a beautiful red tub by Wella Professional, and it says that this creamy mask instantly helps restore and enhance vibrancy of colored hair, leaving it with a noticeably soft, irresistible touch with diamond dust. Salon exclusive brand. For professional results, apply after shampooing, massage and leave for 5 minutes and rinse out. So guys, this product is the awesomest product that I've got from the time that I have been using hair mask. This is the bestest product I have ever used, not because I've got colored hair, but this hair mask is also for your normal hair, or if you are having dry hair, you are having split ends, or you are going through any hair problem, because this is a very smooth product. It does not harm your hair. Also it works so smoothly, and it works so deeply into your hair that you actually want to put your hand all day long into your hair. Talking about its quantity, it comes in a quantity of 150 ml. This is the smallest bottle I have got because I was traveling and I wanted a hair mask for myself, but in a very small quantity because of the weight issue, and it comes for rupees 600, but I got it for like 10% off. There was some kind of a sale going on in the store, so I got this, and it's a beautiful bottle. I totally love the color. You can easily locate it if you have missed it in your bathroom or wherever you have kept it. It's made in Germany. It comes with a shelf life of 12 months. And talking about the fragrance, wow, plus it is of a very thick consistency. As you have seen that I have already used 1/4 of the product, and still there is so much. I have been using it for about a month or so now. Plus consistency is thick, that I have already shared with you guys. Color is white, bright white. Plus talking about its positive points, that it's travel friendly, it's pocket friendly, plus it's handbag friendly also. If you want to carry it in your handbag, the cap mechanism is good. You can tighten it up and you can use it. Talking about the pocket friendly thing is that I know that for 150 ml, if you are paying 600 rupees, it's bit on the higher side, but the kind of results it is giving, so that's why I was calling it pocket friendly. So this is a very small review on this lovely product by Wella Professionals. Do try it guys, because it's really good. This is my personal opinion. As I already told you, this is not a sponsored video, so that's why I will be giving only honest opinions. Rest of the things you know about me, that I always like to talk about the honesty thing, so that's why I love this product. So I wanted to share the review with my Foodie Mom family. That's all about it. If you have tried this product, do leave a comment for me so that I can connect to you. Subscribe to my channel, leave a comment and hit the like to this video. I'll see you next time with another video of mine. Till then, take care. Bye.